Hello children, how are you all? Now in English CB book children, The Shell poem. That is page number 51. Today we will learn about the shell. What is a shell? Where you will find the shell? We will find the shells in sea water. Sea. Okay. The shell. See here. This is a shell children. This is a shell. We will find this in the sea water. Okay. Now see here all of you. One bright and sunny day. One bright and sunny day. Means it was very hot. The sun was very bright. It was shining. And it was a sunny day. Means it was like summer. How it will be when it is summer? How the sun will shine? Very brightly. Isn't it? So one bright and sunny day. On the beach I went to play. So a girl, on a sunny day, she went, it was holidays I think, so she went to play. Where? To the beach. What is the beach? Where you will have more water. So she went to play there. One bright and sunny day, on the beach I went to play. Little by little, with my hand. Little by little with my hand. Little by little means little, not more. With my hand. In my bucket. I fill the sand. You know what is the sand? Sand. Isukanta. Sand. So, little by little, with my hand, in my bucket, I fill the sand. Near the beaches where you will have more water, there the sand will be wet. So you can build the buildings like. You can play with that. You can make cakes, cups like that. Okay. So little by little with my hand, in my bucket, I filled the sand. So she took a bucket also with her to play there. Okay, she took a bucket. Next, soon it was dark. Dark means without light. At morning, the sun will shine, isn't it? Slowly the sun is setting. When the sun sets, it became dark. Soon it was dark. There was no light. On the sand, I saw something bright. So when she was playing in the sand, she was little, she took some sand and she was filling the bucket. And soon it became dark without light. On the sand, when she was putting the sand in her bucket, on the sand, she saw something bright. Near my foot, a shell I found. Near my foot, a shell I found. So, when she was filling the bucket, it became dark. There was no light. She couldn't see anything there. But still she was playing there. She was putting the sand in the bucket. And when she was sitting and filling the bucket, near her foot, she saw something shining. Something was shining there. What was that? A shell I found. She saw a shell. It was shining near her foot. She saw the shell shining near her foot. It was big. Shiny and not so round. It was big, shiny and not so round. So is this round, children? Is this round? No. But if it is shining, no? It is shining, but this is not round. Okay. Now, here first we'll do one thing, children. All of you take out your CB books. Open page number 51, children. Now, here we have 5 stanzas, but now first we will underline 4 stanzas here. Okay, then again I will write and I will make you to underline the rhyming words. Here you have rhyming words, children. We have to underline the rhyming words in the CB book. Now, so all of you open your CB books, page number 51. I'll underline here. You underline in your CB book, children. Now, one bright and sunny day, on the beach I went to play. Here, what do you have here, rhyming word? Day, play. Got it? Now next. Little by little, with my hand. Little by little, with my hand, in my bucket I fill the sand. Little by little, with my hand, in my bucket I fill the sand. Now here, what are the rhyming words? Hand, sand. Okay. Now next. Soon it was dark. Soon it was dark. There was no light. Soon it was dark. There was no light. On the sand I saw something bright. On the sand I saw something bright. Here again you have 2 rhyming words. Light, bright. Okay. Now next. Near my foot a shell I found. Near my foot a shell I found. It was big, shiny and not so round. It was big, shiny and not so round. Again here you have 2 more rhyming words. That is found, round. Okay? Did you underline? Now again one more stanza we have. I'll write on the board. Okay? Now, I held it up. I held it up means she took the shell into her hand. I held it up close to my ear. Close to my ear. So she took the shell and she put near her ear. She put near her ear. Oh, the waves. Oh, the waves were so near. When she took the shell into her hand and she put close to her ear, she was listening the waves sound from the shell. So if you have a shell at home, children, just you take that and put near your ear and keenly you listen. You can hear some sound from the shell. Okay. Now, here again we have rhyming words, children. I held it up close to my ear. Close to my ear. Oh, the waves were so near. So here what rhyming words you have? Ear, near. Finished? Ear, near. Now, the full poem we will read once. The full poem, page number 51, children. The full poem we will read once. I'll read, just you go through the book. Okay. One bright and sunny day. One bright and sunny day. On the beach I went to play. On the beach I went to play. Little by little, with my hand in my bucket I fill the sand. Little by little, with my hand in my bucket I fill the sand. Soon it became dark. Soon it became dark. There was no light. There was no light. On the sand I saw something bright. On the sand I saw something bright. Near my foot a shell I found. Near my foot, a shell I found. It was big, shiny, and not so round. It was big, shiny, and not so round. I held it up. I held it up close to my ear. I held it up close to my ear. Oh, the waves were so near. Oh, the waves were so near. Now, when she hold that shell in her hand and when she kept the shell near her ear, what did she hear? The sound of the waves. The sound of the waves. Yes. Now, next page. Page number 52, children. Here you have some bits. Okay, you have some bits. I'll write on the board. I'll write on the board so that it will be easy for you. Okay. Now, here, now I'll read on the board and we will tick in the correct circle, children. Okay. Page number 52. Okay. Now, first one. Where was the girl playing? Where was the girl playing? In the playground, on the beach, in the garden. Where was the girl playing? On the beach. So, tick here, on the beach. Second one. How did she fill the bucket with sand? How did she fill the bucket with sand? With her hand, with the shell, with the cup. With what did she fill? With her hand. So, with her hand. Tick here. Next, third one. What sound did she hear in the shell? When she put the shell near her ear, what sound was coming from that? The trees, the sky, the waves. So, what she was hearing? The wave sound. So, see, wave sound. Tick here. Okay? Now, next one, children. Next one. Fourth one. Read these lines. One bright and sunny day on the beach I went to play. Now, the words day and play end with the same AY sound. Means here, DAY day, PLAY play. So, you can see here, AY. These are rhyming words. See, they are rhyming words. Day, play, found, round. So, these are rhyming words. Now, find and underline the rhyming words in the poem. So, already we have underlined the rhyming words, isn't it? That is page number 51, children. Page number 51. We have underlined, isn't it? We have underlined. See here. Day, play. Hand, sand. Did you underline, children? Hand, sand. Light, bright. Light, bright. Found, round. Found, round. Ear, near. Ear, near. Again I'll read, children. Rhyming words we will read. Day, play. Day, play. Hand, sand. Hand, sand. Light, bright. Found, round. Ear, near. Now, here you have in page number 52, here you have activity, children. Small activity. You can see here the sea picture. Now, find and stick or draw the picture of 5 things. 5 things that you can see on the beach. On the picture given below. Here you can draw the pictures or stick the pictures, any 5. What you can see near the beach, shells you can draw, bucket, girl, somebody playing, anything. Or you can stick the pictures also. You can cut from the old books and stick it here. Okay? Thank you.